look at the standards because right now, for second grade, I teach second grade, we have our writing broken down into just the 6 traits of writing and not into the standards. So I thought, oh, this will be a really easy shift for us, but it is really, really different. So,
well, Laura, you just tell everybody not everybody knows where she teaches. So
I teach at PB.
And second grade.
Second grade, yep. So the anchor standard that I chose was text, types, and purposes for the first one. And the goal is for students to write arguments to support claims and an analysis of substantial topics or texts using valid reasoning and relevant and sufficient evidence, and then the learning target. The anchor standard 2 was conventions of standard English, and that was to demonstrate the command of conventions of standard English using capitalization, punctuation, and spelling when writing, and then again the learning target. And so I had one assessment to encompass both of the standards so that you didn't have 2 different things. So the rubric that I developed, I started at what I wanted them to do to meet the grade level standard and then work from there. So I started at 3, and the red one is the first standard and the black one is the second. And I said the piece states the writer's opinion. Again, like Brian said, it's hard to use numbers with, the rubric. That's kind of where I think your professional and, opinion comes into play, or talking with your colleagues about what would you expect. But I started with the piece states the writer's opinion, consistently uses linking words to connect ideas, supports opinion by giving valid reasoning, and has a conclusion. And that comes right off of the Common Core state standard. And then I thought, okay, well, if they did that, what would it look like for them to exceed that standard? And then I went up to the 4 and added things like is well organized, staying on topic, supports opinions by giving multiple varied and valid reasonings, has a conclusion, so just kind of adding to that, and then works down to the 2 and the 1. States writer's opinion, but does not consistently, again, thinking about that, uses linking words, tries to support opinion, but reasons may not be valid, may or may not have a conclusion, and then number 1. And then for the second standard, for the using standard English, piece has all or most words spelled correctly, all or most words capitalized that needed to be used as commas and apostrophes. That was above and beyond. That wasn't in the Common Core. So that was exceeding, and punctuation is used correctly in all sentences. Again, I started at the 3 and kind of worked up